This is raw footage of what I sold in one day on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. This is my dog Dolly assisting with the stack of packages. Again, this is unedited, which is difficult for me because I am a perfectionist. You'll hear burps, farts, yawns, gulps, whatever, you name it. Leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. I'm trying to push as many YouTube videos out as possible. So unedited is what you see, is what you get. Go ahead and refer my channel to your friends and family who also love reselling. And if you're a reseller like me, give this video a thumbs up, whether you love it or you hate it. Now let's get started. Dolly. So we'll start on Facebook. I sold this insect shield shirt. This is the brand name. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Ex Officio. It is a vintage fishing shirt, long sleeved. It does have a few markings on it, which I did note in the description. There are a few brown spots, marks on the lower front as pictured. It sold on Facebook for $15 and the buyer did pay shipping of $5.75. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill, so my profit was $10.21. So do keep your eyes open for this Ex Officio brand, especially when it has the insect shield repellent in it. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold a pair of Carhartt denim jeans. These sold for $45 on Poshmark, and the buyer did pay shipping. I picked these up at Goodwill for just $4.50. So my profit on the Carhartt jeans was $31.50. These were a fairly good size, 33 by 36, in fairly good condition, no holes or stains. The keywords I used here are Carhartt jeans, 33 by 36. This B17 DST, I believe, is on the inner tag right here. They are relaxed fit. I also noted the size without spacing, denim jeans, straight leg, and cotton. My Goodwill here tends to mark up anything and everything Carhartt denim jeans, but they did not mark this pair up, so I was able to pick it up for just $4.50. And I turned that into $31.50 profit, so that was a great sale. Next up is a Levi denim long sleeve shirt. This is vintage with metal buttons. That's how I knew it was vintage. As you can see here, the buttons down the center are metal. This is what that tag looks like. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $41 within 4 days of listing. So again, I got that feeling like, did I undersell it? Did I not price it high enough? But again, I quickly turned my $3.75 investment into $29.05 profit, so I was happy with that. Looking at these keywords, I included Levi Strauss. I also included Levi's with the apostrophe, denim shirt, vintage metal buttons, XL, extra large, men's, and barn. So do keep your eye open for these denim shirts. Some of them do sell well, especially when they are a vintage Levi's. The next item on Poshmark is a Puma baseball cap. This was very colorful in pink with the embroidered cat on the front. The caps here are just $1 at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $22. So when it was all said and done, my profit was $14.58. This also sold within 1 week of listing. This was a Puma golf hat, so I did include that in the title. I also included baseball cap, hat, floral pink, OSFA for one size fits all, one size embroidered cat logo. The next item on Poshmark is a pair of silver denim jeans. These were capri pants. I paid $4.50 for these. They sold for $20 on Poshmark. My profit was $11.50. Now these were a pretty good size 31, but they were capri pants. I've had them a little over 1 month, so when the offer came in of $20, I did accept it. Usually, sometimes on these silver jeans, the back pockets will be very heavily embellished with sequins and metallic threading. This one was not, so again, I let it go at the lower price of just $20. Looking at these keywords, silver jeans, Suki Capri denim jean. I included W31 as well as just the 31, stretch, distressed, frayed, and women's. The next item to sell was a new with tag Cherokee lab coat. If you've been following my channel at all, you do know that I will pick up almost anything and everything new with tags, and that is where this came from. Now, it did take 3 years to sell, but it eventually did sell on Poshmark for $21. I paid $3.25 for it, so my profit was $13.55. I had this listed everywhere for 3 years, including Amazon, and it finally sold on Poshmark. So despite it being new with tags, I probably will not pick it up again. Looking at these keywords, NWT Cherokee small. It is a unisex lab coat, white vintage. 1346 must be the style. WHT for white, men's and women's. And the last item on Poshmark to sell was a pair of Adriana Goldsmith crop pants. This was the cigarette striped denim jean. I paid $3.75 for these at Goodwill. They sold for $24. My profit was $13.43, and these took 4 months to sell. I do often pick up these Adriana Goldsmith jeans. These were, again, crop pants, so I was okay letting them go for the lower price. But I still made a good profit of $13.43. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold a pair of Paige denim jeans. These were Nelly. I paid $4.50 for these. They took 4 months to sell for $20. I accepted a best offer. The buyer did pay $7 first class shipping, so they were $27 all in on these jeans. My profit was $11.12. This is what that Paige tag looks like. Looking at these keywords, Paige jeans Nelly, which I believe is the style. You can see that here on this tag. Stretch denim cropped, made in the USA. This is 235045, which must be the style code. It's on here somewhere. Patch pocket and wide leg. So do keep your eye open for Paige denim jeans. Again, this is what that tag looks like. I made a quick profit of $11.12 on these denim jeans. Go. Go. Go.